My name is Suuna, Peter. Friend of mine is trying to start to edit, but doesn't have money to buy an editing application or to rent one from Adobe or to get any of those fancy ones or nice ones. So he requested me to create a tutorial using ShotCut. ShotCut is one of those nice open source editing application, but ShotCut is pretty simple, though it is quite different when from background of Premiere or DaVinci or any other standard editing applications. Me, I'm from background of Premiere Pro. I've also used Avid, but a long time ago, which when it was still called Avid Express. And then I've also used Final Cut Pro, but I stopped on 7. I haven't used the new version. But I think if someone has used Final Cut Pro, this wouldn't be really hard for them. As a first-time editor, you should first create a folder for all your files and keep everything in one place so that you don't delete by mistake. Okay, I've already organized my folder. My folder is here. It's called Sad Man. It's one of those projects that I've done in northern Uganda in the refugee camp, but I'm just going to get random footage and then we'll be using it to cut out something. I'm going to be doing this in chapter, so probably this is chapter 1, and someone out there who wants to use ShotCut, they can pretty get familiar with it and start running with it. So okay, let me just open. I think this is the simplest way. Playlist is open, and just drag this and throw the footage here. And we wait, I think. Wait. So the footage has been loaded. When you load the footage, it opens the footage directly into the source. So as you can see, we have the playlist, we have the source, we have project. So what is happening in the project? It's getting each cut and it is pressing them in the project. So the project here, it's supposed to be like our timeline, but let's see when you open the timeline what happened. But our timeline is empty. There's nothing in the timeline. So we shouldn't really be worried about this, but this is our source. If you want to go through the clips, you just come here and you keep clicking, to choose the appropriate clip or where you want to start from, or if you want to first watch through everything, and as you get familiar to the footage. So this is the footage. It's quite a lot, but we will.
So you can say the switch.
We will. We'll see what to do with it. So, as I've told you, this is a source. The project is quite looking like this, but you shouldn't be worried. There's nothing. Actually, when activate that, we put something on the timeline, you will see the project better. This is the audio mixer, like where you actually see the audio levels. This is some of the useful buttons. This program has shortcuts, but if you need shortcuts, you have to go online. and get them. Yeah, just click here and then you get shortcuts. We have already downloaded some. I've already downloaded the shortcuts. If you see in the corner here, you can see my whatever keyboard shortcut I've pressed. So if you'll be wondering what I've pressed, it will be somewhere here recorded. Yeah.
I'm called Loudon Kenneth. I was brought here by the UN in Bidibidi. Come.
Okay, so I think we can stop from there, then press O. Okay. I'm just dragging this and then I throw down here. Ta-da! I have a timeline. That's simple. So as you can see, if we check our source, this is the source and this is the project. And when you go to Premiere or other advanced applications, you find that you can split this like here in the middle, and then you have your project maybe this side, and then you have your source this side or whatever. But these ones, they are just stuck on top of each other, so don't be like what the hell is happening. And there's no way of separating them. I wish there was, but I can't find a way of separating them. So I think we just have to, so one thing I didn't tell you, I'm recording this at night, and so if there's any background noise like he says, and I know my computer is making sound, sorry, but it's making a hum, I'm sorry about that. If there are insects screaming or TV in the background, I'm sorry, but you have to bear with me. Anyway, we have this here, so let's find some nice footage. So let's go back here.
Okay, we can start. You speak louder because the kids.
Before this guy starts speaking, let's just get that little thing, and then let's try to drag it. You just click in the middle of the screen here and then drag it down. I don't want to press it here, override. I want it to put it up above. So I'm just putting it slightly above there. No, it's not working. Let me just click here and say add a video track. Cut on. Then just drag. Click again in the screen. Oh, sorry, I'm dragging from the project. Click again in the source. Make sure you're in the source, not from in the project, because you see, try to drag from the source. You're saying some small word here. So, just drag from there, then you put there. On track 1, we have this guy speaking, and then you have another guy on track 2, he's also speaking, and the audio, you see this lower thing is the audio, and so here, but we don't need this audio here. Let's just play.
Okay, we can start. You speak louder because
Loudon Kenneth.
So there are 2 audios play. So to remove that audio, just have to right click on this thing, and then you say detach audio, and then to put the audio down here. If you don't need the audio, just right click on it and then remove it. Simple as that. And then when you play your clip, actually you can just click here if you want to move this thing faster. Or you can press I think home, then it will take you to the beginning. Or you can press, if you want to go like to this cut, you can press Alt forward. Then it takes you to the next one. It takes you, then takes you. Yeah. So he's talking about the UN. Have some footage of the camp. Okay, this is so. Just trim there.
Where I was registered by the UN SARA.
So let me just cut somewhere here. So see this thing? There's a shortcut. Yes, it is used for cutting. So if it is not, the clip is not selected, you can't actually cut it. What happens if we press S? Still it won't cut it. So you have to select the clip and then you press S and then to cut it. So I've just cut it because, not because I want to throw this away, but I just want to mark this place. So let's just go back here. Then we drag this, then press it here. I thought it was so long, but it is not. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I'm detaching this audio. Touch audio, and then I'm trimming the audio, and then clicking that clip, and then I hold down Control. So selected this other clip, and I'm dragging both clips to somewhere here.
The border at Elego, where I was registered by the UN SARA.
So as keeps narrating his story.
Then on the same day, I was brought here by the UN in Bidibidi camp.
So it comes. Imagine here
I was registered by the UN SARA.
he was at the border. Please don't forget to save. Saving is very important, and I beg you to save after every 2 minutes, because this thing, I don't think it has autosave. Yeah, and it can crash. Remember, it is open source, and they don't take the blame. Okay, we have it saved actually, the project, and it is untitled. So yeah, please save your project. So sorry, I haven't saved the project, but remember, you go here, save as, and then it will direct you where to save your project. So next time, just press this and then it will save it. Oh, my computer just crashed. Earlier on, my computer crashed and data is switched off. By the grace of God, I've saved the files. So we're back. I think we stopped somewhere here.
UN in Bidibidi camp, whereby
The timeline, the track has to be active in order to cut. So I want to cut just somewhere in the middle. Press S. I have 2 different clips. And then the other thing is, if you want to add a track, just right click and you add audio track or a video track or something. So I want to put a clip, something somewhere here. I want something because here He reaches the border, then here I want something where he's already in the camp and it's being given, because he says
in Bidibidi camp. Today, I was brought here by the UN in Bidibidi camp, whereby I was given some other things like a tent and saucepan.
So he talks about being given things. I think we can use this. Just a little bit of it. Remember, I'm in the source, so I want to bring it down here. So I just drag it and put it here. Or pen. Okay. Yeah. Can press a pen, then it just brings that. Suppose shortcut for a pen it is A. Brings the clip direct from here up to down here. Though it's not really putting it where I want it. I want it somewhere here. So, and then I don't want this audio. Detaching the audio. Probably I might need some of it. So
Here by the UN in Bidibidi camp.
I want this noise. Then before he continues talking, so he says
UN in Bidibidi camp.
So I think that's enough of the audio. So I'm trimming audio below.
Whereby I was given some other things like a tent and saucepan. And
That one?
First wait.
Not that one. I think it's this one. So I want to find something else that he talks about. Or I'm just going to close up. Press the I.
those children which was given to me, the orphanage and my children, they are always going to school, but the school is not up to date now.
Talks about children.
Huh?
Yeah.
I want him to talk about the children.
If they can provide us with another land, then it will be okay. How the war will stop.
So, if the war stops immediately, you...
That one, if the war stop, maybe I will go back.
Sorry, I'm looking for a clip where he talks about children. So
do you have kids, wife?
In fact, during the
I
war,
think this is a cut.
my wife remained behind, so I came with the children only. I have 3 girls.
So I want to start with the kid. And food.
And the food.
Food. So I'm trimming this off. Remember, you can make the timeline wider or smaller, or you can expand it upwards or downwards. Hit Control minus or Control plus. Now let me save. Out. Come back here. So let me look for some clips for kids. Have this one, have that one, have this one. Let me just append. Sure, append puts it. Append puts it on, like on the selected track. Append puts the clip on the selected track, but at the last clip. If I want to add the clip, I use this B. If you want to add a clip somewhere where you want it, so I think I want it on this track, but somewhere here. Then I press B. Okay, I have this one. Okay, I'm looking for this clip. Okay. Which comes in there. Touches the lobe. Then press B. What happened to these wings? Not this one. I want this wide shot. Oh, no, marked out. Oh, this is in. You can also drag these things. You can drag it. This, if you want, you can just drag it. But I don't want to drag it. It's better my shortcuts. I beginning, then O at the end. So I also press B. That's it. So let me pray this out and see. Out kids, that one is nice. Stream it. And I have this one that comes on the thingy. Can just cut it. And I go in the wide shot. And then just make it a little bit wide. So there's no audio here. So I'm going to cheat. There's no audio here, but I want first feel the breathe. So I'm detaching the audio. Right click, detach audio, and I press the audio. So the audio from here. Save. Please save. Huh? Actually, when he talks about the food, there's some clip we have of the food. So, saucepan on fire, and then put B here, and just cut something small off B. Touch the audio. And just take this out here. So save.
I was given some other things like a tin and saucepan and the food.
So we have, he hasn't talked about kids, but we are coming. Sometimes you need to expand to grab the clip, trim the clip well. So he's talking about kids somewhere here. Then let's just put this audio. It's funny when you put the clip up here, clip that you detach the audio from, and you put it up to show the clip again, it will show the video again. So when you drag the clip and then you put it up here, which you have detached the audio from, it will still have the clip inbuilt. So just keep it down. Okay, save.
Span and the food in the plot and where I'm now. So there's a difference that I'm now. In fact, during the war at that place where we went, my wife remained behind, so I came with the children only. I have 3 girls and me. We are all.
So let's just drag this entire thing down here. Save.
Saucepan and the food. In fact, during the war at that place where we went, my wife remained behind, so I came with the children only. I have 3 girls.
Came with the children. I came with the children only. So there's a clip where the kid is playing on the fire. A baby is playing on the fire. This is the best picture from Ford.
And saucepan and the food.
This one is best for font. Okay, I'm dragging this on the side for now. I don't know if it drags weirdly, but then I'm pressing B.
And the food.
So they gave them food. So I want to drag this clip. I want to drag these clips to the side. So I'm holding Control and click, and I'm dragging all of them. I think I can lose this clip. Okay, there's a clip here which is place with kid playing. I have this one. like this one. So also my track is selected, so I'm pressing B. It's quite big. Okay.
In fact, during this and the food. In fact,
Save.
during the war at that place where we ran, my wife remained behind, so I came with the children only. I have 3 girls and during the war at that place where we ran, my wife remained behind, so I came with the children.
I want to decrease this audio. I don't know how. Okay, let me first save. Then there's a thing here called filter. We add a filter, and there's audio. And in audio, there is expand, invert, gain, and volume. So let me just decrease the volume of this clip, the clip which I have selected. I've selected the clip, then I went into the filter. So let's play this again. First save.
In fact, during the war at that place where we ran, my wife remained behind, so I came with the children only. I have 3 girls and me. We are only 4 in numbers. At the same time, when I reach here,
So let me do the same thing here again. I detached the audio and selected this. I went to filters. There are a bunch of these things here, but you go to the filters. You've selected this clip, and I added the filter, and then there are a couple of things here. So just want to select this, and then I looked for gain and volume, and just put the levels down.
at the same time, when I reach here, I was given orphans which has came from different places.
So let's just delete this one.
I was given orphan. They are about 4 also. So now we are together with them in the same plot.
Let me just increase. So as it stops talking there, I want to close with there is a family of orphans. Just go back in the playlist and don't really forget to save. Save. The source. Yeah, back to my project. Press B. And send this one back. Then just that one.
Given orphan. They are about 4 also. So now we are together with them in the same plot.
Okay.
So you
Let me just cut from here and select this control, select both clips, just drag them inside.
I was given orphans which has came from different
Touch audio. I can move this one. Then I add a filter. I don't use audio filter. No. Not fade. Okay. Fade can also work. Okay. Okay, you can add another filter. Audio gain. Then just pump it up. So you can add another filter here. Fade in, fade in, and increase. Is there a shortcut for about increments? I don't know. Let's just see.
So now we are together with them in the same plot. In the same plot.
Kind of auto sync. It's okay. I wish there's a way of dragging this field. Oh, you can.
Also, so now we are together with them in the same plot.
Okay, I'm trying to expand this till the end, but it's not allowing me. I think this is the furthest the clip can go. So, Control save and out the last clip. So, out again. And also trim this one, it's slightly inside. So, Control save. So, this is our cut. We've edited. It is not, this is our cut we've edited. It is not perfect. Can press home.
I'm called Loudon Kenneth. So my coming here is a problem of the work. Then my coming from there, I completed 2 days on the way footing. Then on the 21st, I reached at the border at Elego, where I was registered by the UN SARA. Then on the same day, I was brought here by the UN in Bidibidi camp. Whereby I was given some other things like a tent and saucepan and the food. In fact, during the war at that place where we ran, my wife remained behind, so I came with the children only. I have 3 girls and me. We are only 4 in numbers. At the same time, when I reached here, I was given orphans which has came from different places. I was given orphan. They are about 4 also. So now we are together with them in the same plot.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you our first project with ShotCut. This is the first project. Thank you for watching. Please share with your friend. Please, I urge you to do a lot of practice. More practice, better results. Less practice, you know what the outcome will be. But do a lot of practice, get footage, shoot on your phone, shoot properly, don't shoot bad footage, then just import it in here and give it a try. That is if you're a first timer. But if you're a professional and you want something cheap, like something free, you don't have money to purchase Adobe or Final Cut or Avid, or you have like DaVinci is free, but the problem with DaVinci, the graphics card, maybe it's not compatible with the graphics card. This ShotCut is compatible with the least graphics card, and it can work on Mac, it can work on Windows, it can work on Linux. Remember, it is open source. So go out there and try it out and see. I'll be making another video. I think I'll be improving this and then add more effects and maybe add text, and we'll see what more we can do with it. Maybe work with color, because I've seen it has filters. It has filters, it has stuff, it has metadata. This is where properties of a clip, you click on a clip, you can read its metadata, stuff like that. It has a lot of things. We just need to discover it. So next time we'll be going more further deep into it. So if you just want to stop here and you feel this is enough, you can still export, come here and choose where to export the file, and go try out things. But I'll be going in details about exporting and more things to come around. So please subscribe, share with a friend, encourage a friend to try something new, especially in these times where we are more staying at home, waiting for the virus to come down. Sorry for everyone who is affected by the virus, but the good Lord will be with us. Have a wonderful time. It's good night for me. It's good morning or good night also for you, whatever. Have a wonderful time. Subscribe, please. Bye.